Okay, good day everyone. So ngayon naman, no, ay magdadagdag tayo ng forward lookup zone at reverse lookup zone sa ating DNS. So una gagawin natin ang forward lookup zone. So punta kayong server manager, no? Click niyo yung tools, punta kang DNS. Okay, so paglabas nito, right click ka dun sa server, then choose mo yung new zone. So click mo yung new zone. Okay. New zone. Okay. So yung new zone wizard, no? Lalabas siya, no? Will appear. So click nyo lang next. Okay, primary zone, no? So wala kayong babaguhin diyan. Forward lookup zone. Wala rin kayong babaguhin. Then you type the zone name. So in our example, we'll be using michigan.edu.ph. So, yan ang gagamitin natin, no? michigan.edu.ph. So, click nyo lang yung next. Okay. Create, no? New file with this file name. So, next. Then, select nyo yung allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Okay. Then, click next. Okay. Then, review nyo lang, no? So, yung lookup zone nyo forward, yung file name, ayan. Okay. So, name, file name. So, i-finish nyo lang. Click nyo yung finish. Okay. Then, pwede nyo lang check, no? Kung nagawa na yung ating forward lookup zone. So, ayan, mapapansin nyo, ayan, no? Okay. Ayan na yung ating forward lookup zone. Okay. So, next naman, gagawa tayo ng reverse lookup zone. So, ganun pa rin. Under server manager, click mo yung tools. Okay. Punta kang DNS. Again, right-click ka, no? Sa server, right-click. New zone. Then next, no, yung wizard lalabas, click mo lang yung next. Then again, primary zone. So dito, check mo na yung reverse lookup zone. Okay. Then gagamitin niyo is IPv4, no, sa inyong lookup zone. Next. So dito, no, parang you're going to assign a network ID. So in our example, type na lang natin 10. Okay? So meaning ito yung magiging reverse lookup zone name niya, no, 10 in addr.arpa. So, yan yung parang magiging reverse lookup zone niya, no, na pangalan. Then, click mo next. Okay, so, ayan yun, no. Then, dahil nandiyan na sa, no, create new, next. Okay. Again, piliin nyo yung allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Then, click next. Okay, so, yan na yung ating reverse lookup zone. Click nyo lang yung finish. Okay. So, again, para ma-check nyo, punta naman kayo sa reverse lookup zone. So, ayan yung ating zone, no? Yung 10.in-addr.arpa. Okay? So, yan yung ginawa natin. So, that's how you add or create a lookup zone, forward and reverse sa DNS. Okay? So, again, good day and God bless.